American Public Media settles with FCC over false emergency alert service tones. A program that aired on more than 500 U.S. non-commercial radio stations in 2023 contained emergency alert system tones in the absence of a real emergency, according to the FCC. American Public Media Group, the distributor of the program, agreed to a consent decree with the Commission's Enforcement Bureau on December 10th. APMG, the parent of American Public Media, a creator and distributor of programming to public radio stations across the U.S., will be making a voluntary contribution of $86,400 to the U.S. Treasury Department as a result of the transmission of EAS tones during a BBC Witness History program on tornado chasing.